Hi, my name is Eric and I'm a startup manager with Sierra Air Conditioning. Today we will be making some video tutorials to show you how to program and operate your thermostats at home. This is your Honeywell T6 Pro Z-Wave. Now this is the main home screen that you will normally see. As you can tell, it will give you a reading on your humidity, it will give you your indoor temperature, and it gives you the time up on the top. To operate this, simply press the screen, and as you can tell, it will give you your mode. It would also give you your menu and your fan right here on the bottom. It also tells you right now whether it's morning, if it's away, that is when you go away, or when you come home, and for your sleep as well. Now, to simply change the temperature, either to raise it or to drop the temperature, simply press the minus to lower, the plus to raise, and I would also tell you that this temperature will be held until 6 p.m. unless you hold until, and you can either leave it as a permanent hold, which you select here, and now it's on permanent hold at 68 degrees, being that is your desired settings. If you wanted to change it, select permanent hold again, and you can either hold until 6 p.m. or you can just run your normal schedule and it will bring you back to the main home screen. In order to change your system for heating or cooling, press the mode on the bottom, and as you can see, it has changed to cooling, or you can have your system off. Now if you want to set it for heating, set it one more time, press for heat, raise, or lower your temperature. If you wanted to have the fan, which is right here on the right, simply press the fan function. It can either be on or on circulate. Now in circulating, the system will run your fan 35% of an hour, and it will circulate the air throughout your home. Or you can simply have it on auto, which the fan will run in heating or cooling whenever there's a call for it. Or if you want to have your fan on continuously, select it and fan is on, and your fan will run throughout the whole time unless you change that setting, change it back, put it on auto. Now to go into the deeper settings, simply press the menu key. It brings you to your schedule. To change your schedule or select the schedule for your home, press select. It gives you Monday through Sunday, and if you select it, it brings you to the temperature that you want to change it to. Select the number and either drop or raise the temperature. Once you have the desired setting, select it. It'll give you your cooling temperature as well. Drop or raise it and select. Once it's saved, simply select the keys to the side to move forward. For your home, for the sleep, once those have been selected, simply select done. It will save your settings. To move forward, simply select. It will bring you to the screen lock. If you want to lock it, it will select, and it gives you a partial lock or a full lock. Remember to make sure you write down the key numbers that you're going to input to lock or unlock your thermostat. Once you are done, select. It gives you the pin 3345. You write it down, and that will be the key that you need to unlock your thermostat. Press back to exit, and press forward if you want to have your Z-Wave set up for your home automation. Select next, and it brings you over to your recovery. This is a smart thermostat, which it will run the system prematurely when you have a set schedule to make sure that by the time you wake up, the temperature that you have desired for your thermostat will be on point. So if you want to have it at 78 when you wake up, it will turn on prematurely so that when you wake up, it's actually 78 in your home. You press the next arrow and it brings you to the clock. For this particular one, you will select it, and it gives you the option to set the time, the type of format that you want to have. So if you want to have it in 12 hours or 24 hours. For this option, we'll put 12. We'll hit done. And we'll save the settings. And press the arrow for the next. And this is going to be your daylight savings time. You can select it if you want to use it to have it on or to have it off. For this application, we'll leave it on. We'll hit done and then we'll save. We move forward and here's how you set your time. Select. It'll come up to the top. As you can see, it's blinking. Right now you can either change it in minutes or you can hold, and as you can tell, it will just go a lot faster to get the correct time according to the location that you're at. Once you have selected it, simply hit done. It will save. Hit the arrow and it brings you to the clock format. Once again, you can change it, save it, daylight savings time. And once all of that is done, simply hit back to exit. Bring it back to your main home screen. And that is how to use your Pro Z-Wave T6. Thank you for watching, and for more video tutorials, please visit us at crconditioning.com.